Okay guys, so as you can see, I have no makeup on. My face is a little dry because I just got out the shower, and I decided that I would do a face mask video. Granted, it's like 2:15 in the morning, but I was inspired by my friend Egypt. Her YouTube page is It's Egypt. I'll drop that down there in the link below. She did a gold face mask, but I wanted to try a rubber face mask because I haven't seen anybody on YouTube try it yet. Not to say I'm the first one to do it, but I just haven't seen anybody like, hey, let me throw this on my face. So today I'll be using the Dr. Jart rubber mask in the clear skin lover version. So it comes with two pieces. It comes with the rubber mask, which is this one, and it comes with a, there we go, a little packet. So essentially you're supposed to do the first step is this part, which is called the ampule pack. It's an intensive clearing care pack, and then the rubber mask is, I guess, supposed to lock in that moisture, and you're supposed to keep it on your face for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then just keep it on. So I decided, you know, this would probably be the best time to do it is at night when I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna try this out and see how I like it. So it's like yogurt where you have like a little bit on the thing, so I just went ahead and slapped that on my face because, you know, and I'm gonna focus on the areas where I get a lot of acne, so I'm just gonna rub it in around this, on my cheeks and on my chin. That's why.
There's like a whole lot in here. I'm just trying to use it all. I wonder how big they thought, you know, people's faces were. Because they give you a lot of product. And this mask is a one-time use thing, so I don't think you can, like, save it.
Oh, and they said you can put it on your neck if you have any excess. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put it on my neck. So I applied a generous amount. I think that should be good. And now for the fun part. So I'm gonna take this off. It has like a perforation on each side. Be gentle because I don't want to rip the mask inside of it. Oh, this is interesting. So it looks like the mask comes in two parts. Oh wait, oh, look at this. It looks like this. All right, so I'm gonna put on the bottom part first. Or maybe I should put on the top. I'm gonna put the top part on first, and then I'll do the bottom part. Because I feel like I want to talk, and I feel like I'm trying to figure out what this feels like. So it has two like filmy layers. I'm trying to figure out. It feels like Jello or like a wet rubber band. I don't know. I don't know what it feels like. I've never had something like this on my face. All right, I can see, so that's a plus. So I'm just gonna peel off the second film of plastic. And then this is part 2. And surprisingly, I can talk with this on. It doesn't make my face feel funny. I don't think your face is supposed to get tight or anything with this solution. I think it's just supposed to help absorb the product into the skin a little better. So I am going to put this on and probably like lay in it and, you know, chill on my phone a little, whatever, for a little while. And tell you guys how it goes. I have 30 to 40 minutes to chill in this. I'll be right back. Okay, bye.
12 seconds later.
Oh, I fell. Oh shoot. Okay, please help somebody. I wanted to center it in my face. And it freaking...
Really, nigga?
It keeps falling off my face. Okay, okay. Alright. Ew, now it has lint on it. Okay. What side is it? Okay, I think it's this side. Okay. So this mask is not for someone who plans on being active while wearing it. So no, don't clean your house. No, don't walk around with this on because it's not going to adhere to the skin as much as you like. Like, I'm going to smooth it out on my skin. Maybe that was the issue. I didn't smooth it out on my skin. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Cause I didn't even get a chance to like avidly enjoy it on my face without it falling off. And oh boy. Why is this falling off on my face? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, we're just gonna. Okay. I think I ripped it. We're just gonna slide it over. Just there we go. There we go. Is this how? Okay. I feel like Hannibal Lecter, or like the cannibal when he had like, I don't know. I just feel weird. I feel like I have a face on my face, and it's not sexy at all. But hopefully after this I'll have sexy skin because my skin has yet to clear up. So yeah, take two. I'm gonna lay down because I tried to like look for something and my whole face mask fell off my face, so don't do that. I'm gonna lay down now. It's for like 30 minutes and scroll on my phone. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the time is now 3:12, so it's been like an hour that I had it on. Well, maybe, I don't know. But it's been a while, like 40 minutes. And I'm going to take this off to show you what has happened to my face. Alright, so for the most part, I feel like the rubber on it has gotten, less like, I don't know how to explain it. Less like firm, it's like more flexible. We're supposed to rub in the excess product on our skin. I feel like my face is more hydrated, more supple. So I'm just gonna go in with my moisturizer and my pimple cream and then call it a night, because this is the Sheer Transformation Moisturizer from Henriksen. I've been using this for a while. So I'm debating on getting the trio from Henriksen, which comes with the moisturizer, the truth serum, and the night mask treatment, the night serum treatment. So I'm thinking about doing that. Here's my eye cream from It Cosmetics. Gonna put that on. But eye cream, you only need a little bit. Like right here is like just a little too much, but it's cool because it's nighttime. Want to defy bags and darkness. This is what I would wear. I don't have any bags, but I do have darkness around my eye happening, and it comes from genetics and sleep deprivation. So try to get that in order. Alright, so I'm going to use my MURAD spot treatment. So in the least I can say that my skin has a glow. We'll see in the morning if I have any clear-ups or whatever, but it does overall feel better. It's more supple, it's more hydrated. It also just feels better on my skin now that I've done that. So that's a wrap.